Hi guys! So today, matutuloy na talaga yung plano nating pumunta sa mga Pinatubo.
So I'm on my way to the meeting point at the O terminal. Since I'm from Angeles City and it's so super close to the O, it took me only around 20 minutes to get there. This is where I'll be meeting my joiner group for our Mount Pinatubo trip.
I think I have some companions here.
Just a side, yeah, just a sightseeing.
Sightseeing.
Yeah, okay. See.
Have you been before?
It's my first time going there.
Alright. You local from here or you from somewhere?
From somewhere. It's already 4:42 a.m.
From the O terminal, we traveled by van toward Capas Tarlac, and this is where the real adventure begins.
Magkano po yung stick dito, ma'am?
Sticks kagad.
You know? May nakita ka sa akong mga stick dyan, ah.
Ilang po yan, ma'am?
50 pesos. 4 of us. You, 2, and us.
Oh, so
Going-
4 people.
Oh, enjoy and God bless everyone. Salamat. Sige po.
You local? You from here?
No, I'm a Filipino, but I'm not local here.
Where you from?
I'm from Iloilo,
Where?
Visayas.
West.
Oh,
Another province of Philippines.
yes, another province of the things.
How many languages are there in Philippines?
There are so many, 180 plus.
So many.
And this is where the real adventure begins. To reach Mount Pinatubo, you hop on a 4x4 and cross a wide stretch of lahar fields. And since it is rainy season, the ride gets extra exciting.
Baka mamaya.
Badog pa mukha.
Nagsisimula na po kaming maglakad papuntang doon.
Hindi ko lang alam kung nabibigyan ng justice ng camera yung ganda niya. Yung dulo doon? Iba talaga yung ganda niya. Parang mafe-feel mo talaga na mawawala yung ano mo, problems mo pag nakita mo ito. Charis. Pero gunagutom ako, gusto kong kumain. Kainin ko na yung bakon para hindi mabigat pag uwi. Taka para may energy ako pagbalik. Bye-bye.
On the way back, it actually started raining, and after trekking for 14 kilometers, I was so exhausted. But honestly, every step was worth it. It was my first time doing a trek like this, and I'll never forget the experience. Thanks for sticking with me through this Mount Pinatubo adventure. I'll see you on the next one.